dressing, ice, wrist, little bit of flexing.
Pussy! Tommy, shut the hell up! Pussy, I'm not playing these games!
I wanted to become a ballerina. You know what I became? HIV positive.
Where's the money, Lebowski? Want that money, Lebowski?
A program choreographed just for me by Victor himself.
I'm Mr. Chico Stick. I wanna da-da-da, oh, cause you so thick.
Quick favor, I need a photo of myself in the bed so I can post it online.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days.
Ooh, how sexy! Take me now!
Gay!
Tell us, how are you feeling going into the competition?
My dick fell off!
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, oh, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
I'll be the tastiest pork cutlet bowl ever. You'll watch, won't you?
Of course I will. I love pork cutlet bowls. You've shown you have the skill to win. Why can't you?
Probably, 'cause
I drank some bleach all the way down to the blue, and now I'm starting to feel like Harry Potter's.
I'm 23. I should be able to project some semblance of sexuality.
Like you, cause you got that something that I need in my life.
So obsessed, cause it's so fresh. I wanna so bad. I gotta have it, yeah, have it.
I bet Victor hasn't thought about it much either.
Yeah, well, he's a skating god, so he can get away with that sort of thing.
Look at this dude.
Hey, who said this chick could watch?
Me, nigga.
There's something I want to ask you.
Okay.
It's free real estate.
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino.
Do you have any word for the audience?
I want a church girl that go to church and read your Bible.
Please don't tempt me, we raw smoke got plenty. I want it all, I'm 50-50, hey.
It's my fault, cause I put that sing on top. Now the boys wanna taste of the strawberry shortcake.
I'm gonna go crawl under a rock and die!
What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle!
Cause you got that. Cause you got that. Cause you got that. Cause you got that.